Reputation analysis, with the help of the Microsoft Intelligent Security Graph, protects users from dangerous websites and files. In this video, you'll see its capabilities within the context of Microsoft Defender Advanced Threat Protection. It's common for attackers to use websites that host malware disguised as diagnostic tools. Once downloaded and launched, the malware can try to tamper with defenses, disable firewalls, and install Trojans to give them access to your systems and data. Here, someone pretending to be tech support is phishing me, trying to get me to reset my password or download a helper utility. When I download and open the tool, I install malware on my computer. In this example, the attack only succeeded because Microsoft Defender ATP's reputation analysis and other features were disabled. Next, we'll see how this attack fares with these defenses fully functional. In Microsoft Defender ATP, reputation analysis checks the reputation of each web page you visit and each file you download, and displays a warning if a website or file is potentially malicious. I'll try that phishing attack again, only this time with reputation analysis enabled. Instead of letting me infect my computer with a virus, SmartScreen is telling me that the website has been reported as unsafe. If I want more information, and I do, it's right here for me to look at. In this case, the website contains links to viruses. I'm pretty sure I know better, so I'm going to ignore this warning and try to download the file anyway. This time, Microsoft Defender ATP kicks in. It blocked the file based on its reputation, and I can't ignore the warning. That's because the security administrator configured policies that prevent me from doing so. Reputation analysis gets its smarts from the Microsoft Intelligent Security Graph to score website and file reputations. The Intelligent Security Graph uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other techniques to process trillions of signals. For example, it processes more than 630 billion authentications each month, and it scans 470 billion emails for malware and phishing attempts. Those signals are then turned into actionable threat insight. In this case, reputation data. This data represents a growing inventory of nearly 5 billion new and distinct malicious threats that are detected and added each month. Microsoft products can then identify and can act on that data. Microsoft Defender ATP reports reputation events and blocks, which you can use as part of your normal alert investigations. Remember the attack that reputation analysis blocked earlier? Here's what it looks like in Microsoft Defender Security Center. And I can zoom into a blocked URL or file to learn more about it, such as where it's been seen and any alerts associated with it. Windows 10 enables reputation analysis by default, but you can customize and configure policies for it. That's next. In Microsoft Endpoint Manager, configuring reputation analysis, or SmartScreen, is simple. SmartScreen settings are in device configuration profiles. So I'll create a new profile and set the type to Endpoint Protection. Additional settings are available in the Device Restrictions profile type. Select Microsoft Defender SmartScreen to configure it. Then enable SmartScreen for files and apps and block users from running unverified files. Select OK and Create. Now to assign it. Select Assignments and choose the group to assign it to. I'll just assign it to all my Windows 10 devices. And with that, I'm done. Just so you know, you can also enable SmartScreen as part of a Microsoft Defender ATP baseline. This is a simpler experience, especially if you're deploying multiple Microsoft Defender ATP settings. Reputation analysis helps to protect users from dangerous websites and files. To learn more about reputation analysis and the Intelligent Security Graph, see the documentation on Microsoft Docs.